In a galaxy far, far away, lived a Mandalorian named Din. He was unlike other Mandalorians, for he had a kind heart and a gentle soul. Din roamed the galaxy, defending the weak and helping those in need. His armor, a symbol of his heritage, shimmered under the starlight. One day, Din found a small creature, alone and cold. It was an egg, abandoned and vulnerable. Din knew he had to protect it. He took the egg and placed it in a small pouch, keeping it close to his heart. He promised to keep it safe, no matter what. Night fell, and Din found a peaceful planet to rest. He built a small home for the egg, using his armor and the stars as his guide. Din slept soundly that night, the egg nestled safely against his chest. He dreamt of a future where the egg would hatch, and they would travel the galaxy together. Morning came, and Din woke up to a chirping sound. The egg had hatched. Out came a small, green creature, blinking at the world. Din named the creature Grogu, and they became inseparable friends. Together, they roamed the galaxy, helping others and spreading kindness. One day, they found themselves in trouble. They were surrounded by enemies, and Din knew they had to fight. He put on his armor, ready to protect Grogu. With a deep breath, he charged into battle, his heart pounding with determination. The fight was long and grueling, but Din never gave up. He fought with courage and strength, protecting Grogu at all costs. Finally, the enemies retreated, and Din and Grogu were safe. They celebrated their victory, their bond stronger than ever. Din knew that their journey was far from over, but he was grateful for every moment they spent together. He knew that as long as he had Grogu by his side, he could face any challenge. And so, Din and Grogu continued to travel the galaxy, helping those in need and spreading kindness wherever they went. They were an unlikely pair, but they were the best of friends, and they knew that together, they could conquer anything. The end.